Today we're making a Cosmopolitan. Let's start with a couple of ice cubes in the shaker, because this one is definitely a shake it up kind of drink. I don't need to fill the time with singing. Alright, so Cosmopolitan is a really simple one. We start out with 1.5 ounces of your favorite vodka. Throw that in the shaker. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of triple sec. So if you have some triple sec for your margaritas, this works perfect in your Cosmos also, or your kamikazes. It gets around into a couple drinks. You can use Cointreau too if you want. It'd be a little more expensive, but whatever. Some people are bougie like that. Next, we want lime. I like to squeeze my lime and then throw it in there, and then you shake the shit out so you get some pulp and stuff. I didn't put any cranberry juice in it. There's a pre-shake.
We're gonna dry shake and then wet shake.
It's a wet shake and then a cranberry shake. We're gonna do a cranberry shake. Some people will measure it out. I just do a little splash of cranberry because it just adds a fun color. That was a lot. I need it in a smaller container. Whatever. All right. That's terrible. I already hate it. Yeah, I know. Too much cranberry. It's all right. It's unsweetened. Well, it's no extra sweetener added, so we'll see how it goes. And then we're gonna be fancy with it. A little lime peel to get those oils on there. Extra. Cosmo, a red one.